Hi everyone, my name is Katie and I'm a student here at St. Edward's University and I'm here to walk you through your freshman year housing application. So once you enter the Residence Life Housing portal, the first thing you're going to want to do is click the application tab. Once you make it into your application, make sure that you select academic year housing application. You should see the welcome home page. Make sure you click to start your application. Once you do that, you're going to have to fill out your contact information. Some of it should still be there, but you might still have to fill in some of it. Once you completed that, make sure you click the Save and Continue button. The next page is accommodations and requests. So if you have an animal allergy, please make sure you fill it out. If you're in need of gender-based housing, please also click that box, as well as any other kind of housing accommodation. Make sure you click these boxes. Now you're going to open up the housing contract. So just make sure you read this really, really carefully. Make sure you look at the period of the contracts, key dates, and then the cancellation and refund. Make sure you acknowledge that and then enter your student ID once more. Once you've made it through there, you're going to be prompted to the Grad Guard insurance. Just make sure you read a little bit about it and then decide if you would like to accept or decline or learn more about Grad Guard. And then save and continue, depending on what you decided. Now there's a roommate matching profile. You'll need to have a screen name, so it could be your actual name or an alias, but just keep in mind that you want potential roommates to get an idea of who you are and make sure you have a description of what you like to do. Then there's a few questions that you're gonna have to answer to let future roommates or suitemates know a little bit about you, just so you can find someone who's compatible to you. Make sure you press save and continue. And then you'll be able to view potential roommates. And now you'll be prompted to have a freshman room preferences. So you'll let us know your top 3 housing preferences. This is not a commitment, it's just letting us know kind of what you're looking for. So my first ones, I'm going to pick Lamont Hall, and I want it to be a double suite. And then I'll add another preference, and let's say I want to live in Jacques Dujardin, and I want to be in a double. So we'll save and continue. Now you're going to pick your residence hall and room. Billing is per student per semester. So you can look at the available rooms. So double suite, and we'll look in Basel Moreau. We'll look in Le Mans, and then I can also select certain rooms. So I think I'm going to go with Le Mans 324. I can also check and see show occupant information just to see if there's anyone else in that room, and that will be my potential roommate. So these will be roommates and suite mates. Once I've done that, I'm going to press save and continue. And then I'm going to select a bed. So I'm going to select bed 1 and confirm my bed selection. This is just confirmation. I'm going to make sure Le Mans 324, bed 1, that's exactly what I wanted. Save and continue. And now here, I just need to select the meal plan. There's 2 options, and I'm going to go with meal plan A. Make sure that you read through the meal plan contract terms and conditions. Once you've read through that, make sure you sign with your student ID and save and continue. Now you'll be prompted to look at your application status. So make sure the year, the room type, where the room is, the rate per semester, as well as any other roommates or suitemates that are in this double suite. Make sure you save and continue, and then you'll receive your application summary. We're so excited to welcome you here on the Hilltop. So welcome to your freshman year.